naughty one.
और आपको ना आपको दुआ दे रही थी
Because it's got all intrinsic values, strength, strength. Like a Greek woman asks us to enjoy a kind of beauty. Beauty, yeah. So it's call it beauty, so it's skin deep. Yeah. Skin deep, yeah. And that we also love this. Now I'll say a Theravada chant. Namo tassa bhagavato arahato sama sambuddhassa. Namo tassa bhagavato arahato sama sambuddhassa. Namo tassa bhagavato arahato sama sambuddhassa. I would like to dedicate merits of my successful and peaceful visit to Pakistan, and through Buddha and the Bodhisattva blessings, I was able to meet the community of the Buddhists in Sindh, Pakistan. All these are through the blessings and love of the Bodhisattva Buddha. May these blessings be transformed into merits, and may these merits be transferred to all sentient beings who suffered from pains and suffering. And hopefully with blessings of Bodhisattva and Buddha, we are able to achieve love and world peace. Sadhu, sadhu, sadhu. Thank you.
Dr. Sahib, it's my request to you, please. You are asking some questions to our honorable guest, please.
So, Mr. Daryl Chan is our guest, and he is a friend of Pakistan. Wherever he goes, he talks a lot about Pakistan's culture, ancient culture and heritage. So I am here to ask you more questions about your visit and your interest in Gandhara heritage, the Gandharan Buddhist heritage.
Okay, my relationship with Pakistan started with Gandhara. And which part of Gandhara? The Gandhara art and architecture. Back in the year 2017. When for the very first time I was in contact with more than 50 pieces of precious artifacts from the Peshawar Museum. And I was absolutely captivated. I was sensationalized and overwhelmed by the beauty of the Gandhara art and architecture. And I wanted to know where Gandhara art and architecture came from. Literally, after some study and research, it was in Pakistan, the Gandhara region. So that started my interest and my affection with Pakistan. And my visit here is the third time, and I came here last July during hot summer because it was too hot. I couldn't go out to touch the stupa. But now I came in the winter, I managed to touch the stupa, but I do not have enough time to touch some more. So this explains about human nature. We cannot be too greedy.
Right.
We cannot have too much desire. What is even more important than desire and craving is relationship and humanity. So humanity is above everything in the world. And humanity refers to friendship with the Pakistanis who protected the Gandhara architecture over the last thousands of years.
Yeah.
So I would love to continue such a relationship by coming to Pakistan more often, to hopefully one day to complete my visits to all the ancient Gandhara arts and architecture, and on top of that, get to know more lovely, delightful, helpful, welcoming, hospitable Pakistani people.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you.
Hello, bye-bye. You look so busy today.
Yeah. Tell me, our viewers, what is this?
Okay,
Little bit.
basically this is an Indonesian broad puppet. In previous long time ago, it used to be entertain the people. Some of the, like basic story, any culture of Indonesia. Yeah, and this is shown batik, one of the traditional pattern in Indonesia. In traditional way, it is drawing by hand, but in modern way, when the people want to publish more, it printed.
Great, Zabardast. Thank you very much.
And then you got the two levels. It's the Vipa meaning form, and the top four is the highest Arupa. Basically what explain. And look up this whole mandala. Yeah. This is amazing. Wow. It made its way here. So we need to where is mandala? We need to do a lot of validation. If you can put your hand I will always able to touch. So there's like this, the hole. So you put a hand, you try to touch. You touch the Buddha. Nobody is able to touch the Buddha. Very strange. These are Jatakates. And it's all carved from volcanic rock. Yeah, it's a volcanic rock. You see, this is the one, yeah. That's the one. You put your hand in, you have to really touch. It's not touching. No enlightenment. Fail. I think from Indonesia. Hello, aku Indonesia. Saya dari Singapura.
Oh, Singapura.
Indonesia lah. This is from Batam, 15 minutes by boat. From Adoy. Representative of the Indonesian Embassy.
Yeah, okay. Very nice. Very inspiring.
I saw your hand for a photo.
जी तो आप बताइए आपने एंजॉय किया या नहीं?
I can press the button.
Yeah.
Then I can do.
मज़ीद आगे बढ़े मैं सबसे पहले आज की चीफ गेस्ट हैं मेरे नानी की मंजूरी साहिबा वो यहाँ पे तशरीफ लाए किसी तारीफ के मोहताज तो नहीं है मगर मैं ये बताती चलूँ
Selamat pagi. I feel so at home. Selamat pagi, selamat malam. Tolong jalan-jalan Indonesia. Please come to Indonesia.
Indonesia. Yes.
Her hometown is where Bodo is.
Oh, no. I have been to Bali. Bali is yours.
Batam.
Again.
Yes, sure.
Jesse will come to Indonesia.
Yeah, my first international visit was to Bali.
It's a good Java to look at this.
अस्सलामुअलैकुम। सबसे पहले तो आपको
This monument,
मैं अपनी परफॉर्मेंस की
everything is in this architecture.
Everything.
It's amazing. Okay, terima kasih.
Thank you.
How many days will it be?
I think for you to Saturday.
I'll go to see you tomorrow.
Oh yeah.
What's that?
Okay.
So I'll treat them for lunch.
Oh yeah, sure.
I feel so at home.
I know.
So I give you my WhatsApp.
Oh, okay. Maybe you can.
Yeah, my number is very short. It's
Oh, sure. Okay.
Youngsters know so many things.
Yeah.
They know so many things.
You know a lot of bahasa.
Singapore lah. Yeah. It's a Batam. We go to
Last 15
Batam.
minutes, you know.
Yeah. We go to Batam for spa, makan.
He came here as a presenter, speaker at the seminar.
Text me.
Okay.
And then I'll say hi and then Saturday you're leaving. Good. I want to take them up
Actually,
for...
in Saturday, there's also our embassy will be right here.
Yeah, on Saturday.
Yeah.
In the last
Our embassy will be right here.
We'll be here.
Go makan.
Okay.
Terima kasih. Bye.
Thank you.
You're welcome, sir. Nice to meet you.
वकार साहब ने सेमिनार करवाया था, उसके प्रेजेंटर थे, उसके स्पीकर थे, स्कॉलर हैं, वो सिंगापुर में जो बुद्धिस्ट कॉलेज ऑफ सिंगापुर में वो पढ़ाते हैं, पाकिस्तान तीसरी दफ़ा आए हैं, तो उनको हमने आज के सेमिनार के लिए रखा था। तो वकार साहब जब काउंसिल ऑफ आर्ट्स की जानिब से उनको एक छोटा सा टोकन जो है वो प्रेजेंट करना चाह रहे हैं, और उसके लिए हमारे दरमियान मैडम नाहिद मंजूर इस रावलपिंडी आर्ट्स काउंसिल की बानी है। ये जगह उन्होंने ली और आज आप देखें कि किस तरह का फेस्टिवल, किस तरह के सकाफती प्रोग्राम जो है वो ये सेंटर, ये रावलपिंडी काउंसिल ऑफ द आर्ट्स जो है पेश करता है। तो स्टेज पर मैं दावत दे रहा हूँ मैडम नाहिद मंजूर, आपकी भरपूर तालियां। हमारे साथ हज़ारा यूनिवर्सिटी के बहुत बड़े स्कॉलर, असिस्टेंट प्रोफेसर हैं डॉक्टर अब्दुल हमीद चित्राली, मैं उनको भी स्टेज पे आने की दावत देता हूँ। So may I introduce you to a friend of Pakistan, Mr. Daryl Chan, who is here from Singapore. He'll be presented with a souvenir for Mr. Daryl Chan from Ms. Nahid Manzoor. Sir, I'm presenting this to you. This is especially for you, Mr. Daryl Chan, from the Rawalpindi Council of the Arts. You're lucky, one of the founders of the arts here. She has presented this to you, Madam Nahid Manzoor. Any words of thanks to her?
And it's given by all the lovely people of Pakistan with enthusiasm and love for world peace. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Mr. Daryl.